I'm here with Craig Milnes, who is a co-founder of Wilton Benesch, and you've got a brand new product to your speaker lineup, the Trinity. And maybe you can give our readers and viewers a little bit of the philosophy that's made you create this product and some of the technical specs.
Okay, the Wilton Benesch Trinity loudspeaker is designed basically to extend the bandwidth of conventional loudspeaker systems well above the 20 kilohertz to the 100 kilohertz point. We've retained the soft silk dome that is typical of every product that we've ever made. We've never used a hard dome in the speakers that we manufacture. And the reason why we use a soft dome is because it is very, very well controlled and it doesn't reproduce hard ultrasonic sound, which, although it's not measurable between 20 and 20 kilohertz, is well easily measured when measured in the ultrasonic regions. So with the soft dome, you don't get any of those uncontrolled resonances. The match between these two tweeters provides us with a very, very well-controlled frequency response from 5 kilohertz all the way up to 100 kilohertz. This wide bandwidth sound is the first of its kind. And in order to generate this sound, we've also introduced a new drive unit, which is the Wilton Benesch technology again, which is the WB1, which is wide bandwidth 1 technology. Again, it uses neodymium ion boron in the design. And you will also find that all these drivers are clamped onto the baffle of the speaker, which is a polyalloy carbon composite loudspeaker system. Now, to understand how that works would take a long time to explain, but basically Wilton Benesch has made its name in the use of carbon composites, and carbon composites, when married with sophisticated different kinds of alloys, produces the cabinet which is inaudible by comparison to conventional technology systems that everybody else is using in the industry, basically. The main objective of this system then is to produce a wide bandwidth, very controlled, very precise sound field that will go from 35 hertz to 100 kilohertz. Clearly, the sphere, which is the system that takes the frequency up to 100 kilohertz, is perfectly balanced with the torus system, which is a now well-known product out there in the market, which is an infrasonic generator. This is an ultrasonic generator. When you combine Trinity with torus, you have a wide bandwidth sound capability that is an industry standard at this price point.
Okay, this technology for the driver is also the same philosophy, in fact, that you use throughout the rest of the product range, more or less.
Every single loudspeaker that's made by us will either have the WB1 in it or it will have the Tactic drive unit. This particular speaker is a completely new speaker with a completely new drive unit. This is the first new drive unit that Wilton Benesch has received, has delivered since the Tactic, which we received DTI funding to develop 10 years ago.
This will now be in the market, starting?
It's in the market now. It's 4,700 and
pounds.
Pounds, that is, a pair. It will be demonstrated at the next event in Bristol. Will be the next event where it will be seen, which will be demonstrating it in 2-channel and some large multi-channel systems also.
Well, we're looking forward to seeing you there. Greg, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.